Good morning everyone. Let me class start for the 6th class maths period. Exercise 1. Question number 52. I am going to do here only 3 parts of the question 52. The remaining 3 parts are left as same as that I do here. You have to do all the 6 parts relating to the same question in your homework. Okay, now going to do the A part. Very simple question. You have to follow the Damas here. Damas means D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, and subtract means minus. So follow these pattern to solve the question here. Okay. Now the question is 31 minus 4 plus 6 plus 3 into 2. So first of all, the question going through the division, but there is a no sign of division. So division is cancelled here. After that, multiplication be followed. So here, this is the term of multiplication, and you have to do multiply. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, 3 to the 6. Now after the multiplication, we come through the addition. Here addition is 6 plus 6, that is 12. Okay. Now this is number of subtraction. So I do add up 31 with 12 first. After do both the addition, I get the answer 43. After getting the answer 43, I going to subtract minus 4 from it. Now the answer will be 39. That is your final answer. You should be follow the Damas in this question. Firstly division, then multiplication, then addition, and the last we do the subtraction in these questions. Now going through the next question, that is question number C. Here also division is missing. There is a no sign of division, so division is will be cancelled, and we going through with the multiplication, the next step. Here the multiplication term is 4 upon 5 multiply 2. Check whether it is cutting in this question. If yes, then do the cutting first and solve the term. If there is no cutting in this question, then solve the sum as usual directly. Okay. Now 4 to the 8 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 8. Now there is a question of addition and subtraction, but all the denominator of the question are different. So we're going to find out the LCM first to do same the denominator of all the questions. Okay, when you find the LCM, do the LCM in the rough work and you find the answer. When you find the LCM of these number, the LCM will be 40. You do it in your rough work. LCM of 25, 4, 8 is equal to 40. So to the LCM means you have to make the LCM number with each fraction. Okay, now you have to make 40 for the each fraction. Now first is 1 upon 20. So 1 upon 20 convert into 40, then we multiply 2 with numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now going through the next fraction, there is a 5 in the denominator. So to become 40, we have to multiply with the 8. Next, there is a 4 in the denominator, and to make 40 to 8, I have to multiply with the 10. Next, 8. Now to make 40 with 8, we have to multiply with the term 5. Now the answer 2 upon 40, 64 upon 40, 10 upon 40, 5 upon 40. Now 40 is making each denominator. Now take the single 40 and solve the upper term of each fraction. Now this are both triple of term are related to the addition, so add up 3 term except 5. Okay, because it is hold the negative number, so it is the minus term, not the plus term. Add up the all threes, you get the answer 76. Then final answer is 71 upon 41. You can convert it into the mixed fraction if the numerator is greater than the denominator. So the answer will be 130 upon 41. That is the answer. Okay, same method you have to follow about these question, whether it is simple natural number, they are fractional number, or they are decimal number. Okay, now here you see in the next part there is a division sign, and you have to divide it after directly or after removing the decimals from it. But I do here directly in this question. Okay, in this question you got the answer. If you do there are too many terms to solve it. Firstly, to convert it into the fraction. Okay, when you convert it into the fraction, the division is converted into multiplication. Okay, and when convert into multiplication, the number behind the division, it got the reciprocal. After removing the decimal, you get the answer 0.6. Or you can do directly the number. Now multiply both the term and you got the answer. If you multiply both the term, you got the answer 14 point. You can do it in your rough area. Okay, I solve it directly, you can do it in your rough work. Now solve both the term, you get the answer 0. Now subtract 0, there is a 7, 14. That is your final answer. Listen, I am doing here only 3 parts, but 3 parts are more there in your question related to question 52. Total 6 parts are there. You have to do all these 6 parts in your homework. There are very simple question. Only do the calculation accurately, then you got the answer very simply. Thank you.